Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Co-op multigrain hoops. Now these are similar to Cheerios and we're going to find out just how exactly close they are. Alright, so you've got some art on the back there. I guess these are for kids. Okay, you've got some additional information and of course this is exactly what's in it. Alright, so this is a 375 gram box. Again, this was given to me from a friend, so let's open up and see what these are like. I used to love Cheerios, especially when I was in the States. Very popular. These have actually got wheat, oats, barley, maize, rice, all added with added vitamins. Right. So you see the actual words there. So we have some water, milk in there. So upon looking at the cereal, let's bring a closer look. It looks very similar to Cheerios, but after tasting them, Cheerios are slightly bigger than these, and they're a lot brighter, a lot red. Multigrain, but I think definitely Cheerios are much better, the original ones. I mean, it's kind of a close copy, but to be honest, not as good as I thought. Taste 5 out of 10, but if I would be honest with you, I go for the original Nestle Cherrios. I think they're much better than this. Well, that's just a quick look at that, guys. Leave your thoughts, comments, and whack that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I'll catch you in the next description.